Hello everyone, and thanks so much for watching. And on this particular video, I'm doing a another dinner. So I'm Angel, in case you're new to this channel, and right here I have cooked some mushroom chicken in a crock pot. So I'm going to let you guys see what that looks like. As you can see, it's a whole chicken with cream of mushrooms and extra mushrooms that's been cooking in the crock pot. Okay, so that's the meal, and then we're going to come over here, and I have steamed vegetables. So in here is broccoli, cauliflower, green onions, carrots, tomatoes, and some spinach. And then right here, I have some cheese. So like, just in case, like, as you can see, I'm not at home. And for those of you that are used to seeing my cooking videos, you know I'm not at home. I'm still at my auntie house. But nevertheless, I decided to make a little cheese for the vegetables. So just in case, anybody wants some cheese over their broccoli or over their veggies in general, is there. But anyways, this pretty much concludes my dinner. So this particular video, I'm just gonna call it chicken and mushrooms because that's the main dish. And so hope you guys like this video, enjoy this video, give this video a excuse those dishes. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Um, yeah. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, like, share, comment. Remember to send someone with you to watch the video. And again, thanks so much for watching. Talk to you guys later. Look to see and hear from you soon. Love you so much. And let me know if you want to see more videos like this. Okay. Bye-bye now. Love you all. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.